What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the Moshi Porto Q 5K wireless charger and external battery combo. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, check it out, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So with more and more smartphones featuring wireless charging capabilities, wireless chargers have become more and more popular, especially since Apple has defunct their own AirPower mat. In addition, external batteries have been out for quite a while now as well, with a multitude of different models and makes and sizes. But what's something that's a little bit unheard of is a wireless charger and an external battery built into one device. So let's check it out. So like I mentioned, this is called the Moshi Porto Q5K. It is a 5,000 milliamp hour capacity external battery, which also doubles as a wireless charger. Comes in your traditional Moshi soil ink printed packaging, pops open from the bottom, and just slides out like so. So the first thing that we get is the Porto Q5K wireless charger itself here. We also have a little quick manual here on how to use this. And we also have the USB to USB-C charging cable to charge the battery as well as your device. So taking a closer look at this wireless charger external battery combo, it has a fairly slim profile, nothing too hefty either, so it's something that you could easily carry in your purse or backpack without adding too much weight. Looking at the back part here, we have a USB-C port to charge the battery, as well as a USB port as an output port. So you could technically charge another device without having to use the wireless charging pad on the top. On the other side, you have a button to activate the wireless charger, and also shows the battery status indicator lights for indicating 25% intervals. On the front here, you also have an LED light to let you know that the wireless charger is on and active. Not a whole lot on the bottom here other than 4 indentations for feet. Lastly, on the top, this is where your phone will charge via wireless charging. You have the Moshi logo. It's not really engraved, but stamped on the top more or less. The entire top also has this really cool fabric material to it, which really gives it a premium upscale look, and this large rubber ring that cushions your device when you place it on it, and also give it a bit of grip so it doesn't slide off. So it's a very easy thing to use. You just hit the button on the side, which will turn on the charger. We'll place our phone on top, and you can see it immediately starts charging. Since the charger itself has a capacity of 5,000 milliamp hours, that is more than enough to give, in my case, the iPhone XS Max a full charge. So not only would this make a really great wireless charger to put with your desk setup, but also if you need a external battery as emergency power to take with you, just unplug it, and you can still charge your phone via an external battery. So overall guys, definitely very impressed with this concept of incorporating a wireless charger into an external battery, where you can use this as a wireless charger for your desk setup or take it with you as emergency power. I really like this fabric design as it gives it a much more upscale look to it and should complement most desk setups. So one of my uses for this Moshi charger is a little bit different, but my car has this really cool shelf feature. But unfortunately, even though my car is relatively new, it didn't come with a wireless charging pad of some kind as an option, or let alone a standard feature. So this Moshi one here works really well in my case. I tried a couple wireless charging pads before, but they didn't work so well, which I'll explain very soon. But my shelf here has a nice spot for it. There's an access port here, which I can snake a USB cable through. Underneath here, as I have 3 USB ports, I just need to tidy up this cable a little bit. And the cool thing about using this Moshi charger in my car is that one, it's an external battery, so if my car dies and my phone dies, I have emergency backup power built into this charger. But the second reason why it makes the Moshi charger here really useful in my case is because the past wireless charging pads I tried in my car, when you place your phone on here, when you accelerate and decelerate, brake, turn, the phone generally likes to slide off. But because Moshi has a built-in rubber grip that surrounds the entire top, it keeps the phone in place, and even hard braking, my phone doesn't move. So I'm really happy that somehow this grip works really well with my iPhone. In terms of any cons or changes I would make with this wireless external battery charger, the only thing I can mention is I kind of wish Moshi included or incorporated built-in rubber feet on the bottom, just so that you can have a bit of grip when you have this on a desk setup of some kind, and included a longer cable in case this isn't long enough. As it's kind of short, I can get away with it because my monitor and my MacBook have USB ports close by, but if you're plugging this into like a Mac Pro or some sort of tower desk setup, this may not be long enough. In conclusion, guys, if you're in the market for a wireless charger and you want something a little bit more versatile, you definitely can't go wrong with the Moshi Porto Q5K. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about this wireless charger combo, ask in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.